Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another day in my life / shop with me vlog. And I really need to get some deep conditioners because these mini braids have been in my hair for almost a month now, and I really need to do a deep treatment on my hair and take these mini braids out because enough is enough. Usually your hair grows like half an inch a month, but I literally cut off half of an inch from all the ends of the braids when I did them because I wanted to keep my ends healthy. So I'll probably have like the exact same hair length as when I started. But next time I do a style like this, I won't cut it before I do it or as I do it, so that I'll actually see some growth. And I'll also probably go to Ulta to get some new makeup products because I've been feeling like I need to update my makeup products because I keep using the same products. Like, as you guys have probably noticed in my Get Ready With Me videos, I'm literally always using the same products. And I really need to try out some new products because it's getting kind of boring, at least for me. And I'm not wearing any makeup today because I'm trying to let my skin breathe. My acne has really gone down, but now I just need to get rid of the dark marks. And what's really been helping me with that is the Paula's Choice BHA liquid exfoliant. That product has been just like saving my life. If you guys want an updated skincare routine video, then also comment it down below. And I also forgot to mention that I want to get this henna hair dye to dye my hair temporarily, and then it washes out after a few washes. But I want to try going like lighter brown, and also they have like a maroon or like burgundy one, then that would be like really fun to try. And then they also have a black one, so I am not sure how expensive they are, but I really want to try different hair colors. Like last summer I wanted to have blonde hair so badly, and I've never like wanted to dye my hair before last summer. I don't know, maybe because I was just going to the beach every day and like in the sun all the time, and I was just like, it was just the beach vibes were making me want to have lighter hair. So I'll also probably try to get some hair dye. And the henna hair dye that I'm talking about, they sell it at the vitamin shop, so we also need to stop there. Henna hair dye. Gotta get my phone charged. Who texted me? The tea is piping. Oh, and I already got Dunkin' Donuts because I went to work this morning and I may or may not have been 5 minutes late because I went to Dunkin' Donuts, but I needed Dunkin' Donuts and I can't function. I'm not going to be a very good employee if I have no coffee, so I took the L and was late to work to get my large extra charge cold brew. Okay, now let's finally go to the mall. Play Sunday Morning by Hamza.
Sunday Morning by Hamza now playing.
You make me feel like it's a Sunday morning. So before we go to sleep, let me tell you something.
Okay guys, so now we're finally at Target, and now to get the hair masks. And then Target is connected to the mall, so I'm probably gonna wander into like Macy's, maybe Sally Beauty Supply, maybe Hollister, but we'll see. Oh, and also I got these keychains from Hobby Lobby for my keys, and these are just like so cute. And then both of them were, I think, like $2.50, and P for Felicia, and it's just like so cute. And then I just have it on my keys. It's the little things in life.
It sound white, boy.
That was a serious workout because I parked so far away from Target. And then I went to Macy's, which is on the complete opposite end of the mall. I wasn't gonna have enough time to go on a walk today, so, because it's getting dark. But at least I got some kind of a workout in. And now I'm just gonna go to Ulta, and then I'll show you guys what I got at Target and whatever I got at Ulta. Am I falling in love with the one who could break my heart? I should have stayed at home so I wouldn't spend all my money, but then you say hello. Oh, why did I just turn the windshield wipers on? Play Thank You Next.
Now playing Thank You Next by Ariana Grande.
No, why is it not playing? Thought I'd end up with Sean, but he wasn't a match. This is the longest red light. Now I listen and laugh. One taught me love. Oh, I was supposed to go straight. Why am I? No. Oh wait, I can fix it. I can go right. I wonder about myself sometimes. No need for searching, and for that I say thank you. Next. Uh-oh, why are these people looking at me? Maybe because I parked like 1 millimeter away from the trunk. Okay, now let's go into Ulta and get some makeup product.
It sound right.
Okay, so Ulta trip was a success. I got some stuff that I've been like wanting to get for the longest time, but I've just been too lazy to go to Ulta and get it. Okay, so I know I said I'm gonna do the haul when I get it at Ulta, but I feel like going home, so I'm gonna do the haul at home. Play NASA by Ariana Grande.
NASA by Ariana Grande now playing.
I'd rather be alone tonight. You can say I love you through the phone tonight.
Okay, so now for the haul. First from Target, I got the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner, and I got the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask, and these are two of my all-time favorite natural hair products. And also I got this really cute bandana from Target, and I love the colors in it. Next from Ulta, I got the Pattern Beauty On The Go Kit, and it came with a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and a shampoo. And next I got the e.l.f. Seriously Satin Lipstick in the shade Sugar Plum, and this was only $3, which is really good. And then I also got the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, and this time I got a darker shade because my skin is starting to get really tan from being in the sun. And finally, I got the ColourPop Wild Nothing Eyeshadow Palette, and I love the colors in this palette, especially the shimmery ones. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!